welcome back. We're cleaning today. Of course we're cleaning today because it is CleanMas. We are getting ready for the holidays. We are going to be cleaning our house from top to bottom, and we're gonna continue with dusting some things that you just might forget about dusting. I know, right? These things I don't think about every day. Well, I have my everyday cleaning, then I have our deep cleaning. So we are starting off with some of these deep cleaning items. You ready? So as you guys know, we have been using a lot of this lately. I got this at Walmart. It is a duster. This collects the dust. It doesn't let it fall. It is dry and it works amazing. And if you have tall ceilings, then you are definitely gonna love this because look y'all, it extends. We are gonna be dusting some light fixtures today and also some, I've got a window that's pretty tall that this is definitely going to handle it. You ready? Are you excited? Let's get dusting.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running.
Now another thing that you can do is take the glass up there, take those off and put them in your dishwasher and they'll get them sparkly clean. You won't have to scrub them or anything else. So I have this big window here and I'm gonna take my duster and just go along all of this right here. And I also have this window right here that needs to be dusted as well. And we're gonna go ahead and get this one clean too.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
This is also a great time to take note of your light bulbs and your fixtures to see if you need to replace any, if some are out. I always got some out, I'm telling you. And then what you can do is take these off and then stick them through your dishwasher.
Singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
All right guys, well, our light fixtures are now clean. I definitely feel better getting all that dust out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on the next CleanMas. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't here done so already, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're excited for this holiday season. We'll see you next time. Bye. Somebody wants to go outside. Do you want to go outside, baby girl? Yeah? Are you my princess?
Don't even care what we do if I spend it